Hello friends, this is MD Fayyum, Civil Engineer. A warm welcome back with a new video to our academy JLT. Today I am going to discuss about concept and difference between OPC and PPC. But before going to discuss in detail, I request all the viewers of our academy kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel to get the latest notifications. Today's topic is about OPC and PPC. So let us know about what is meant by OPC. OPC indicates here ordinary Portland cement is the basic form of cement with 95% cement clinkers and 5% being gypsum. Cement is available in the market in three grades, namely OPC 33, OPC 43 and OPC 53. These grades imply the maximum strength of the particular cement after 28 days. OPC cement gives high compressive strength at early ages in construction. Since OPC 53 grade cement gains early strength and has cost saving advantages. 53 grade cement gives up to the 70 megapixel strength against a minimum 53 megapixel specified by BIS. BIS indicates here Bureau of Indian Standards. So OPC Portland cement maximum we will prefer 53 grade of cement which is confirmed by the IS code, that is 12269. So generally all type of construction we prefer 53 grade of cement. So we strongly recommend for all the RCC works like foundation, columns, beams and slab. Here the image shows about the three grades of cement: 33, 43 and 53 grade of cement. Now let us study about the what is mean by PPC. PPC is nothing but Portland Pozzolana cement is made up of 75 to 77% of cement clinker, 20% of fly ash and 3 to 5% of gypsum. OPC is replaced with fly ash. The percentage replacement goes from 20 to 35%, conforming with the IS standard, that is Indian Standards of 1489. So this image shows about the Portland Pozzolana cement. So fly ash based cement PPC is recommended for brick, masonry, plastering, tiling and waterproofing works. In these works, strength is not the major criteria. Pozzolanic materials include volcanic ash, calcinite clay or silica fumes and fly ash, which make around 15% to 35% of cement weight. Now, after knowing the definitions of OPC and PPC, let us see the difference between OPC and PPC depending upon the property. So the first property I am going to discuss, that is strength. So initially the strength is higher than the PPC, but when it comes to the PPC has higher strength than OPC over a longer period of time. Coming to the next property, durability. Less durable in aggressive weather and PPC is more durable in aggressive weather. Durability is a very important factor for the structure. Then coming to the another property, that is workability. Workability will be lower than PPC in OPC, whereas higher than the OPC. Now next property is heat of hydration. Initially it generates more heat than PPC in hydration reaction, whereas in PPC it has a low hydration process and thus generate less heat than OPC. So few more properties are available to get the difference between OPC and PPC. Another property is setting time. Its initial setting time is 30 minutes and final setting time is 300 minutes. Its faster setting time helps faster construction. Whereas coming to PPC, its initial setting time is 30 minutes and final setting time is 600 minutes. Its slower setting time helps to get better finishing. Coming to the another last property of fineness, that is it has fineness of 225 square meter per kg. It has lower fineness than PPC, resulting in higher permeability and lower durability. Whereas comparing to the OPC, PPC has fitness of 300 square meter per kg. It has higher fineness than OPC, resulting in lower permeability. After difference, let us know the advantages of OPC and PPC. So in OPC produces highly durable and sound concrete due to very low percentage of alkalis, chlorides, magnesia and free lime in its composition. Whereas in PPC having higher durability of concrete structure due to less permeability of water. Now, in OPC, almost negligible chloride content results in restraining corrosion of concrete structure in hostile environment. Whereas in PPC, more resistance towards the attack of alkalis, sulfates, chlorides, chemicals, and it also gives better workability and better surface finish. Now, in OPC, you find the significant saving in cement consumption while making concrete of grades M15, M20, M25, M35 and pre-crushed segments. If you want to know about the grades of concrete, you can prefer the old video of our academy. When coming to the PPC, it is having low heat of hydration and due to high fineness, PPC has better cohesion with aggregates and makes more dense concreteness. Comparative lower water cement ratio provides an added advantage for the further increase in compressive strength of the concrete. After the advantages, now let's come to the conclusion. So OPC and PPC are commonly used cements in construction. Nowadays, PPC is used as a substitute of ordinary Portland cement. PPC contains pozzolanic materials. It helps to enhance the strength of concrete. The quantity of PPC required in making the concrete is less when compared to the OPC. PPC is a green material which contributes towards sustainable development. Our conclusion is that if you want early strength, then you can go towards the OPC. And if you want long duration, better compressive strength, then you can prefer for the PPC. I request those who did not subscribe our channel kindly like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.